Hi there, it's Voltbike, and today we're going to talk about the folding mechanisms on the 2018 Voltbike Electric Urban. So there's two folding mechanisms on there. We've got the frame folding latch, and we have the stem folding latch. So for starters, we're going to talk about the frame folding latch. So the frame folding latch has a safety mechanism which folds up and down to keep the frame folding latch from opening accidentally. This can be installed or tightened with a 4mm Allen key. So that should always just be snug. So if you want to fold the bike or access the battery, what we want to do is we want to turn up the safety mechanism, and then we're going to pop open the frame folding latch. Opens up like that. Then you can just fold the entire front of the frame out. Here you can see where you can access the battery. You would access that with the key, and there's a locking pin for that. So part of the frame folding latch mechanism is a tension adjusting bolt. That uses a 3mm Allen key, so you can adjust the tension on the folding latch, and you can turn it clockwise to loosen the tension of the latch, or counterclockwise to increase the tension. The tension needs to be set carefully. It's a subtle adjustment. So now that we have the tension adjust bolt set, we're going to close the frame. We're going to close the latch, and we're going to put down the safety mechanism like that. I think in this case the tension adjust bolt is set a little bit too loose. So I'm going to take my 3mm Allen key and I'm going to turn it counterclockwise, quarter of a turn, and I'm going to reclose the latch. I can hear it snap into place. It feels snug, and that seems good. So now I'm going to close the safety, and we're ready to ride. So the second folding mechanism on the Urban is the stem folding latch. So if you want to fold the handlebars down, you just have to push the button on the stem folding latch, grab hold of the lever and pull down. That will release the mechanism, allowing you to fold the handlebars down into place, either to adjust the headset or just to pack the bike away. So inside of the mechanism is a tension adjustment. Using your 2.5mm Allen key, you can adjust the dual bolts on the tension adjustment. You can turn them clockwise to tighten up the mechanism, or counterclockwise to loosen off the mechanism. Once again, this is a really subtle adjustment, and it needs to be done properly to ensure the safety of the bike and the person who's riding the bike. So once we've got the tension set up, we can just pivot the handlebars and once again set the lever in place, and the little safety latch will go into place so that then when you pull on the lever, you're unable to open it. Then you know you're ready to ride.